seem friendly though.
I wanted to get off of the damn wall.
No, they go.
There it goes. You play too much. I'm about to just snap his ass. I'm about to just snap his ass.
So people, this are for who did ask what I'm going to fish them. I been give away the fish them. I give them like I never really like care for them. So I just gave them away. And now we got a tarantula.
Damn.
And can't be afraid of him. Don't mind me picture them, you know what I mean?
Look.
First, me bring on in.
You see, I can touch it, but I can't grab it. There you go. That's what I was looking for. Underneath. To see the fangs. He not like, look. The fang's not out.
Yeah, I mean.
Come on, it's not moving no more. You gonna come up or not? Okay. He probably let out a spider web on my hand.
Alright, so Famous made the Jamaican breakfast. I'm gonna make my American breakfast.
In my kitchen, so I make you American breakfast over this. How I say Lego my ego?
Yeah, these are the best waffles ever.
Yeah.
Chocolate waffles and the blueberry one.
Oh, damn, man. Many of these are chocolate
That's what I'm
chips.
saying. Have one.
Yeah, man, I'm going to eat, you know, because of chocolate in
I put
it.
mine in the frying pan.
Yeah.
Best way to do it.
Yeah, frying pan? See?
Of course.
And I learned something today.
Yeah, but what's on
Alright, butter over here, so. And I did some fried plantains. And of course, you can see 3 different plantains, 3 different ways. And we have avocado right there. Margarine right there. Milk pan right there. Some cook up, steam up saltfish right there. You know, this cook good. Oh. Chocolate chips. And so then looking at the box with the smiley face and everything down there.
No.
Then on hand.
No.
False advertisement.
You can put it though.
Yo, me, if they don't stay so we don't want them. We have Ricky the building over here.
Yo.
You're not telling him how I go on.
What? Yo, there'll be a rapper, yo.
Ricky about to be a rapper. You have Mel over there in the studio. In 24 hours. Ricky about to be a rapper in 24 hours.
No, don't do today already.
Watch this, I want to
We're not going to do it today. No, we're not going to do 24 hours. We never talk.
Yo, we're doing it. Yeah, we're doing it today. Come on, guys. Yo, Ricky, your vocals ready? What vocals there? What call vocals? Yo, the man around there. Sandwich, you make you know? It look like a bread in my butter. Bread in my butter.
You know, I really love that.
What?
Man, I want to rock with you.
Hey, we're going to watch the cow fly over the gate.
The
And then the giraffe is gonna lick the back of the zebra's neck. We're gonna watch that as well. What you feel like watching? Like the bread talk to the potato?
I don't want no cows to fly anywhere. I'm all over cows right now. I saw a cow all around me.
And then we're going to watch Nike do a beat battle with Jordan. So we're gonna see how who gonna win. Ain't gonna lie. I'll go for 19 and go down.
Alright.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Alright, so you're going to go partner.
Yeah. Hey, man.
What's the break?
Yeah.
We're here.
Here.
Melinda.
Oh, wow. Look at Pooh. She's still on punishment, but she here.
Trouble lot.
Mel!
I'm going upstairs. I'm run. Can you hide?
Oh, my God. Jesus.
Me tell you, the trouble zone there right so.
Packing.
Look here, the trouble zone there.
We packing. Wow. Y'all should see my bag. I guess I'm not going up there for real.
Yo, me ask trouble some more time. I'm going to change him and say, I probably change 3 times a day. I go Orlando. I don't know who you might see 3 different times. So we book up a Rick Ross in the morning. 50 cents can't see 9 in the same things. Mel candy say we overpack.
How?
We can't go fit.
What do you mean?
Yeah, who that is?
We can't go fit.
How is that gonna fit?
Yo, this can't fit in there and that, but that
It
can't.
has to fit.
Wow.
I said wow.
Yo, you want to see candy bag or that candy I bring?
Wow. Am I underdressed? I'm underdressed, underpants,
Remember, I'm-
under everything.
I'm
Yo.
not from here.
Me just put on the clothes because I want to take a nice picture today.
I'm not from here. Remember?
Mel, I feel look good regardless, right?
Yeah, I'm not from Florida.
So she want just.
Oh, I guess I'm a basic.
She bring out all the
You
easy.
live here.
She say you live here. Me live here too.
stepping, bitch?
Hey.
You live here, so it's fine.
I'm stepping. Ooh.
I really have to get into the
Vlogging a bit, right?
Yeah.
Bro, I'm underpacked. What I got in my car?
Yo, can you have a bag like that?
I got a
Right?
bag like this. Really?
Remember, a 4 day we are going for, you know?
2.
2 basically.
Yes, the lights come. We're finally here, Orlando. How y'all feeling? How was the drive?
You rich?
No.
Want to do?
I gotta pee.
Oh God.
You want to pee now?
How you feeling back there, Mel?
Do.
I gotta pee.
Okay, she gotta pee. I gotta pee too.
Why
I ain't
my
gonna
phone
lie.
on a light?
He gotta doodle.
We reach Orlando.
Famous, what you gotta do?
Me pee already.
Oh.
So you're good.
Well, yes,
I
we
got you on
have
camera.
Yeah.
I got you on camera
a
too.
little less than 30
Pissing.
minutes until we get to the
Me I go
B&B.
send a cease and
I
this.
say mine when make police like we have to piss on the highway.
You
You
didn't
know?
do it on the highway though.
We did na bush
How
on
they
the
gonna
highway.
know? So just zoom in.
You know just mute out them part there.
They're not gonna know.
Yeah.
Then can find me. Then can come find me.
As I was saying, we have a little less.
A
than
$20 ticket.
A little less than 30 minutes left to the B&B. Get there around 8:30. But we gonna have to stop and get
Yo,
food.
she almost crashed today. Never
Don't
again I
lie.
let a woman
She said me and Famous have to have
I not make no woman drive with me again.
Oh, I got a text message. My
Put
cousin
on
is
our
texting me.
seatbelt.
So yes,
in the
until
back.
then.
Snacks, guys. We brought snacks.
You know say late already.
later.
Everybody have video, everybody at the whole store, everybody at the video too. Me turn on the light them car. Alright, then light and alright. Me don't know where they turn on, so me turn them off back. Me that try find the light, me don't know, me find one light. So here troubles a video around this way. See there troubles a video right there, so. Alright, so listen guys. So you see when you come through the house, you have the living room right there.
Everybody have vlog. See, big space.
The living room is right there. Alright, so come round now. When you pass Candy and Troubles right here, so you're gonna make your way to the kitchen. Right there. You have the kitchen right there.
It's 3 rooms. I said that.
You know what I mean?
Jesus Christ.
You want to move?
Bubba.
Y'all not that
So one room around here, so. This is one room around here, so. Alright, me come down again. The bathroom is right there. And so one next little room here.
What side?
This is one pretty bed. One next
What
pretty
room
bed.
is?
A 3 room, a 4 away there. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You me fuck up on the vlog, you know, can me go take that room?
You vlog in the room, that's up here.
Yo, so you go on. Change your plans.
Yeah, Minnie, me and Mickey. See, so we have got peel out of it tonight.
Bro, me and Bubba share room. I know someone have a someone for sleep with Candy, but Candy snore. So I'm sleeping by myself.
So I guess this is a candy room. Candy, I'll have a toy right there. So.
Me and her, we're playing rock, paper,
What
scissors
Candy?
for the room.
And then you have this over here. Bathroom right there. Oh my god, the bathroom is big and nice. Like the bowl there. Woo! What a fancy little bowl. Me that up so them off. Oh, this fake. Alright, this fake. Alright, let me see what I miss. What I miss? Closet in here, so. What there, so no. Next little bathroom. Let me see in the bathroom. Alright. A little thing can go on there, so. Alright, so. I'm telling you what I'm going now. We are about to go look food right now. We don't know we think we are going Wimmies. Wingies something. Chowers over there. Just up in the your match. Can you have any? Oh, makes sense. Makes sense. Oh, Candy, I look for that class. Oh, yeah, what's the mode? So, Candy is OCD neat freak.
Some wings and what you gonna eat?
Burgers.
Pigs.
Burgers. No, we don't eat pig. No, we don't eat pork.
Yo, we just start
Consume meat.
consume meat, you know. We don't eat meat for an hour, you know.
Salmon and something alone
We
with
don't
it.
eat
So what you
burger.
gonna eat? Wings, right?
No, we are going to go buy a Beyond Meat burger.
Well, we just start eat.
So you're gonna eat the cow.
No, we are eat a Beyond Meat. It's
It's
plant
not beef.
based.
We don't eat beef.
Alright,
So they gonna be on meat. Be on burger.
It's a burger place. It's
When
not
we-
vegan burger.
They
When-
have an online.
Yeah, but they must have vegan shit there.
When meat is
Yeah,
beyond
I
the
tell you
place.
that.
Yeah,
They
they
have
do.
to have
They have
vegan
it.
shit there. Any burger place have to have vegan shit there.
Yeah, so what's no vegan thing.
What's it? What's it?
I told you about the mall.
What's it?
I told you about the mall.
What's it?
Oh my god.
In there?
No.
There's a little bat in here them a try kill. Leave it something alone. When you come here, come see people them and not try kill them. Lord them, you don't know who that.
It's behind you.
Leave him alone, Andrew.
It's behind you.
Leave him
On
alone.
the-
Yo, you know here
on the wall.
you can come a place come
on the
see
wall.
dopey bat and a kill it.
Oh my god. Oh, look, look.
You know you not sleep good tonight. Kill him and see.
Good every night.
Kill him and see. Remember me did
Don't
tell you
kill it,
not
don't
kill
kill it,
him.
don't kill it, don't kill it. Don't kill it. Just let it out. Let it out.
Remember me tell leave it dopey bat. Jeez.
No. No.
Come, let's go. We're right.
So guys, we're
Murderer.
You're not supposed to kill those things.
No, especially in come here come see it, yeah.
Oh, I didn't.
Me beg your pardon, I beg your pardon for me, no mean it. A mistake he make. A mistake he make.
You not going.
A mistake he make. We sorry. Right now, we're there. We reach a place. Jimmy's Burger and Wings. See you in there, look there. We are about to run in there, go see what can go on. No meal ready. Remember. It's burger time now. We'll lead the way.
okay.
Sabas, you not vlogging, bro? You not vlogging?
Oh. Want to make me want me do and not tell me about car.
Yeah, because somebody have to open. Oh?
Look, see that? Candy.
I don't even walk like that. And you just over here entertaining his BS. And she over here with the BS.
We are about to see what I'm going right now. We reach a burger place. Chabas make fun of Candy walk. Chabas, yo, me can't see up there saying I have to go squint. Mela fix her here. Me think of vlog. You run that vlog. Oh yeah, video. Think of vlog. Me think of fix that fix her here.
So, guys.
Me go watch the menu. Me see what go on the menu. Look how quick the guys then order and watch it.
Alright, so yeah, let me get my number one fry. And then I guess
You see how long you girls don't take the order?
So, vlog girl, we did nice to get something to eat.
So what's up vlog? No, we are waiting for food now.
I'm gonna slow that down.
You can slow that down? Where you catch?
Exactly.
Catch your bumper?
Yeah.
Yes. So I say, miss your bumper.
Yes, I miss it. Where are trouble from Candy? Where are trouble here? Eh? Oh shit, no more fingers, sorry. Sorry.
Pop off candy yes. The whole line yes drop off.
Me feel it, one know me.
Bite him.
No, sorry. Yo, what kind of mask you said give me, man?
You're so aggressive.
You can't breathe in here.
You're supposed to can breathe now, man. Mel get the same juice. What do I get this? Chawas alone mix up. Get something in a field. Fully charged. Fully charged. Mel phone a dead, Chawas phone a... Watch out, Mel a book all in foot.
1%.
So,
I'm going to look for because Chabas wants to drink some hard liquor.
why for the
Oh,
hard?
I see you.
Stop going like you don't want to drink liquor too. Come in, but you want to fool your belly. So stop going like me. I'm here a problem. Ush me, sorry.
Okay. That's so we're gonna buy some.
Yo, could people have vlog? Damn.
Buy some liquor.
Buckle of vodka.
Yeah, man, mad thing in a liquor store. That's 12 me have, man. Me get it before it release.
The 12.
Yeah.
Yeah, then give me. These them so many waiting for my food, alright? That's one. This is, what did you say? Mango habanero? Yeah, mango habanero. With habanero?
Yes, mango habanero. Habanero.
Oh, you can't read. I that then do, you don't know where them are spell. Your fries bad. You know if you know. Smell food, you smell like a burger.
I got a bad picture. You ain't even gonna lie.
I mean, delete it right now.
So famous over here with the fries and the mango habanero wings. Got Mel, big body Mel with the big body food. Ooh.
Same thing over this one.
Ooh, vegan burger and some wings. You not gonna open your mouth?
I don't want to eat now because I'm hungry
You
again.
gonna die?
Yo, me not laugh for the road. Tasty fries, honestly.
It's not hot.
Want to taste the mango habanero?
Plastic cup there now. Well, when you use the cup.
Want to taste the mango habanero and so on.
Yeah?
You say it look
Keep
good?
the cup full of liquor.
Can he wash cups up? Yeah, she
I don't want no glass. I'm gonna break that shit when I'm drunk.
We believe you.
I'm dead ass with it.
You know too hot, bad.
This fries is cold. Can I get some ketchup? What is that? Okay.
Oh, gosh. Turn off the old you.
Keep it by here now. Tell me. Remember that.
You close the car door?
Yeah. I have to. So I'm see them picking it.
Them fries are bad.
So I eat a whole of the mayonnaise. We need a whole of mayonnaise and leave none for me.
We don't eat mayonnaise. You want to say mayonnaise? The ring bad, me not lying. Sure.
I think Booba go fuck up a vegan to go.
Amen.
For health and strength and daily food we praise and you know Lord Jaja.
Amen.
My prayer different.
Send up on your own prayer, man. I tell you already.
Send up on one prayer.
You know if you don't got a link. Next time you go pray for me.
You don't know if you ain't got a link.
I not get my prayer.
Yo, Mr. Carden, you have to do.
Now you see it just now eat.
You right?
Yeah, but everybody I eat, me feel left out. Yo, if you have vlog.
You over there laugh.
Yo. Me gone in a over.
Me look out about fries them.
That a nice spot.
That's the way burger do.
The sauce?
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Come,
burger.
right. You taste the sauce, you like it?
I didn't taste it yet.
Nah, like
Oh.
your meal make a little concussion right there.
It probably dry up. I see it can do.
So I go and feel burger over there, so. Just the burger over there.
See that? Brush off a little.
Brush off.
Burn it.
Oh Lord.
Them bun up for me.
How I miss it? The cheese in there?
It's not burnt. It's just
don't eat
it's,
it.
it's
Oh no cheese in there. A vegan. I forgot a vegan burger you are going with. A black bean.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so can do a video over this
That's a
one.
fire wing.
This supposed to be a fire wing.
It's right there.
Me no like pepper and spice and all of them something, but me go taste
So
this.
good.
Alright.
You check it out.
So Chabas around go feed. May I try it?
nothing in there.
Me just check though. Oh. Got enough time to turn around with one bun up in place.
Right.
Oh, it touches his lip.
More no.
Yeah, you get that burn there first as you bite it. It has going, man. Drink juice. Yeah, it has your fuck.
It's good though.
It tastes good though.
After a while, you're not gonna get used to it. Hush.
You're used to pepper. I know your mouth I get used to it. You used to pepper.
I mean, lip now get used to it. You see, my nose around what already?
I'm enjoy it.
No, it's not that bad.
It tastes good, man.
Just imagine like actual 8 of those. You just sitting down eating 8 of those. Yo, that thing. Fire.
No, me could eat of this.
Entirely. Bam
You're not
up.
Me I try you like, I finish you like. You see, I'll be those.
Why you dipping it?
Yo, me
Yeah,
think
cool
more
it down like in
than
Don't
me and
dip
yes.
it.
want to add this
Don't
tomorrow.
dip
You
it.
cool it down like me and yes.
You know, we'll catch up on it and me and it's cool.
You know,
Is
like when
that
I
a
get
stain
a
on your
cut.
shirt?
It is.
You fuck up your shirt already.
Wow.
Mouth a leak.
The camera drop down. Yeah,
Okay, my fries is. I need to start eating.
look there.
Yeah, but I have no.
Me need a bib. We out the door right now. Everybody up on and eat there, so. Chabas a vlog. Mel a vlog. And Candy over there, so. And me there way over here. So it's a nice little place out here still. Tomorrow when I forward, more forward out in a jacuzzi. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? I want to be in the jacuzzi tomorrow, but tomorrow activity this, the pool closed for right now. So when I forward back and I 3 feet me right there, so I flap like whale, me I go do some whale flap. You know when you see whale jump up and you hear blap in the water, some of that me I go do out of this. Kin Pupalik. And I go through. Mela forward through the vlog.
May I tell them say it's a vlogging trip?
It's a vlogging trip this.
Yeah, so everybody
Right
vlogging.
now. So right now we're here. It's beautiful. Tomorrow we are gonna come show them a jacuzzi.
Yeah,
We're
man.
gonna go right in here tomorrow.
Yes, right there.
Everybody are trying to drop vlog this
So
year.
we are go back in now. We are go back in.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in at the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in a